Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
The perfect medium-rare steak offers an unmatched, juicy, tender experience, a true culinary delight. Imagine slicing into a beautifully cooked piece, rich with flavor and that vibrant pink center. This video will demystify the process, guiding you step by step to achieve restaurant-quality results right in your own kitchen. You're just minutes away from mastering this classic dish. Proper steak preparation is crucial, ensuring even cooking and that beautiful, deeply caramelized crust. Start by bringing your steak to room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes, which allows for more uniform cooking. Next, generously season both sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Crucially, pat your steak completely dry with paper towels to achieve the best sear possible. A screaming hot pan is your secret weapon, creating that irresistible, deeply flavorful crust we all crave. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat and add a tablespoon of high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place your steak in the pan. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes until a beautiful, dark brown crust develops. Finishing in the oven gently brings your steak to its ideal internal temperature without overcooking the exterior. After searing, immediately transfer the skillet with your steak to a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. Insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the steak. Cook until it reaches an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium-rare result. Resting your steak is the critical final step, ensuring maximum juiciness and a tender texture. As the steak rests, its internal temperature will rise a few more degrees, and the juices will redistribute throughout the meat. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest, uncovered, for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked medium-rare steak against the grain and prepare to enjoy every single delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.